Hi everyone. I'm Daniel from Madagascar. It's far from here. I'm come here to tell you my story from Madagascar, of course. It's about how I can help the community to improve their octopus fisheries management. To improve because in one village in southeast of Madagascar called Andavadok, they already start to close their fishing octopus area. At the beginning, they closed it for 7 months. 7 months closing. It's not all of the fishing site, but just 20% of their fishing site. Yeah, it may be okay, but most of the fishermen is suffering about the 7 months. But in the back, they have a good result because after opening, there's a lot of octopus. It means there has a big octopus and also there has a lot of catch octopus. This first trial is having with Blue Ventures. It means one NGO based in small villages to help the community to build the octopus fishing closure. What's the problem? Some villages is okay to following this experience, but even the fishermen in this village want to choose, if possible, to reduce the time because 7 months is not easy in such village. It doesn't have any other livelihood. It means all of the fishermen in this village is living depending on the sea resources. It doesn't have any other alternative livelihood. That's why this NGO called Blue Ventures have asked one student from the university, it's Marine Institute in my region, to help them to learn about the octopus biology. And it was me. Because I'm ready to work in countryside. And also, I'm happy, very happy, to stay with the fishermen. Also, I like the sea. That's why I didn't have any problem to work with them. I stayed there during 1 year. During this study, I had a conversation, a meeting with the fishermen. I asked a lot of information from them, and I tried to explain to them at the beginning, I'm here. I want to help you. I want to give such information from me, and it might help you for this octopus fisheries management. Most of them is happy to share information to me, but some give a little bit, and one young man, I remember her name, it's called Jose. He is really hate me. It may be me because I said to him, why you don't like to share information to me? He said, I like you, Daniel, as you, Daniel, but I hate the scientist, I hate the student. I'm wondering, what exactly? And he said, yes, I like you, you're my friend because you stay in here, you play football with me every day. I like you because you're good at football. Yes, I said, but he doesn't like to share information to me. So I said to me, can you explain to me why exactly? And he said to me, do you know, before you, I have met a lot of students, a lot of scientists coming here just to take the information from us. Just they want to have an experience and never come back. Never come back to share information resulted to us. Never come back to help this community. That's why I don't like the scientists. I said, I agree with you. I like you, actually. And I'm here. I try to help these villages. I try to help you as well. And I will try to take some information from you first. And I will study it. And I will show you after. If it can help, we can work together. If not, maybe you can choose another technique. And he said, yes, you can do it. But I'm waiting on results, he said. Okay, I said, it's fine. Good. You are my friend, so I can do something else maybe. And he said, okay. And during my study, I tried to give some information to the fishermen. For example, it's not all of the fishermen, and maybe it's not all of us, to know how to sex octopus. And I give that to them, and they are happy. And it means during my study, I started to give some information to them, not just to take something from them. And after my study, I have presented firstly this result in my university. And after, I go back to the village to explain to them in other presentation the result. Firstly, I said to them, the octopus is growing faster. So, even we close just 3 or 4 months, it can show a result. And also, you should choose when we can start to close it. Because I saw to them, they have some recruitment peak. It means the small octopus came in the octopus fishing set. So we have to start to close the octopus fishing set at this time and just during 3 months. And I give this suggestion if you can do, and they help me and we start the second experience. And after my experience with them, we saw a result like a beginning. It means it looks like similar. I can say we have a lot big octopus as well, because after 3 months, one octopus, for example, 200 grams, it can reach 1 kilo. So the fishermen and the population in this village were very, very happy to work with me until now. Even this young man, he came to see me and he thanks me. Thank you, Daniel. He did very good jobs. And until now, he worked with me and I like him and to do the surveying of the octopus. So it means if you want to keep working with the community and also if you want to build a trust with them, you should have a patient, because it's not automatically to have it one day, but you should listen to them first. You should share information little by little, and also you should come back to help them with their result. That's I did, and I think it will be work in everywhere. Thank you very much.